Morning everyone, it's Mr. Allen again for our Golden Ticket Assembly. Again, for all those children who have just been outstanding all week long. But actually, they've been outstanding all the way through since we've come back in September. So really, really well done to all of these children. If you don't win the Golden Ticket this week, remember what I say every week. Look at those children, copy those children. They are role models, so copy them, and who knows, maybe next week you could be the winner as well. We're going to start off this morning, obviously, in nursery, and we've got two children for AM and PM as always. This child tried his best, is keen to share stories and talks with enthusiasm about things he enjoys. And this child works hard and enjoys being independent. She tries her best and is always smiling. The two winners this morning are Jensen and Alicia. Look, there they are. Oh, look at them. Good old Jensen, big smiley face, and Alicia as well. Having a big stretch there and in the sand. Huge congratulations, you two. Really well done. Mr. Allen will be bringing these round today for you to take home with a special treat as well. You can share with your family as well this evening at dinner time. Right? Really well done, you two. Keep being independent. Thank you, thank you. Well done. Moving on now, reception. Look out, turtle class. Look at this. This child has impressed me every day since starting reception. So I said right at the beginning there. He sits quietly, listens on the carpet, and is really helpful at tidy up time. He is a good friend to other turtles and always tries his best. Drum roll, please. Lincoln, there he is. Look at Lincoln. Hugh, Lincoln, I am so proud of you, buddy. This is amazing. Really, really well done. That tower is brilliant. I can't believe you're building a tower as tall as you. So well balanced, such concentration on your face. You have had a brilliant start to reception, buddy. Really well done and well deserved. Enjoy the treats as well, okay? Maybe you can share with your brothers, hey? Who knows? But they are yours, so look out for them, right? Well done. Moving on, Sharks, here we go. Our Golden Ticket winner this week is for being so polite, helpful and hard-working. This child is setting a great example for Shark class, but actually a great example for everyone. Huge congratulations to Liam. Look at him, there he is on the monkey bars. Liam, you are an absolute superstar, buddy. You are so polite, you're so kind. Thank you so much. You're setting an example to everyone in school because that's all we can ever ask. Doesn't cost anything to be polite. You are a superstar because you do it all the time. Well done, well deserved, and enjoy your treats. All right, buddy, congratulations. Moving on. Miss Marshalls, this child works very hard all day. She's always enthusiastic during class discussions and shares her ideas, especially in maths. She's a good friend to our class and a good friend throughout as well, because even at lunchtime as well. So, the Golden Ticket goes to Crystal. There she is. Look at that. Look at Crystal. Absolutely brilliant. Really well done, Crystal. Always got a smile on your face as well, but always helping and tidying up and helping Mr. Allen. So thank you so much. Really well deserved. Enjoy this and enjoy your treats as well. Well done, Crystal. Proud of you. Moving on. Miss Begum. This person works really hard in maths and phonics. They are super focused on the carpet and always keen to share their thoughts and answers. Superb, superb, superb. Drum roll please for Mason. There he is. Well done, Mason, you superstar. And helping Mr. Allen out in the dinner hall as well. Thank you so much, Mason. You are an absolute superstar. Well deserved, and enjoy your treats as well. Keep working hard, buddy. Really, really well deserved. Moving on, here we go. Miss Hawkins. This child has been working really hard in every lesson, every day. He listens carefully to instruction, always answers questions by putting their hand up. He wrote a great story about the Great Fire of London as well, and it really was a fantastic. Drum roll please for Oliver! There he is, and a superb building there. Tudor house ready for the Great Fire of London. Super work, buddy. Great answers as well all the time. Always trying your absolute best. So well done, Oliver. Hugely deserved, and enjoy your treats as well, buddy. Congratulations. In Mrs. Cook's class, works quietly, never gives up. Always doing the right thing and ready to learn. Just there, right away. Drum roll please for Paul. Here he is. Well done, Paul. Just sums you up perfectly, buddy. Thank you, thank you. That's exactly what we want every child to be. If we could have that description for every child, be really, really happy, Mr. Allen. So huge congratulations, Paul. Enjoy your treats. Maybe you can share them with your sister. Don't know, they're yours, so you decide tonight. Really well deserved, and I'll be bringing this round later. Well done, Paul. Finally this morning, we have the SRB. Her attitude for learning has gotten so much better, especially when it comes to reading. She concentrates hard and has been flying through her work. Well done, and drum roll for Summer. Brilliant summer. I'm so proud of you, hun. Fantastic. I know, Miss Harmon, I'm so pleased with you. So really well done. Huge congratulations to you. Working so hard all the way through, focused on your learning. Fantastic. Well done. Going to bring this round again. Maybe you can share your treats with your brothers and sisters. Eh? Who knows? But huge congratulations, son. Well done. Finally, again from Mr. Allen, just to say, you have all been awesome this week. Following my assembly from Monday, thank you everyone for being so awesome. You are awesome. You are all absolutely awesome. So huge congratulations to everyone. If you haven't won, remember, watch those children, copy those children, because you may win the golden ticket. Thank you. And finally, obviously, final message is, please stay safe, everyone. Enjoy the weekend, and we'll see you all on Monday.